Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Territory TX, stock reference number 5351. The shape. This has a 4-litre 6-cylinder inline petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre 6-cylinder inline petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, interior mirror, left sun visor, map lights, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.